So let's continue. Okay? Now I want this here. So I'll plug this here, over here, there. Okay? So I'll have I'll put the rho in bracket. Okay? So this will be rho. This is minus sine theta E1 plus cosine theta E2. Now if I multiply this again, remember the chronic delta here. U1 dot U1 will be 1. So I can write here a rho dot E theta. This is equal, you see, will be, in this case, a rho. You write this one, okay? Now, I'll write down, no problem. So this will be cosine theta E1 plus sine theta E2 dot rho. I'll put the rho over here. See? This rho over here, I'll just put there. Okay? I'm bringing this to there. Then I'll have minus sine theta. Just copy, okay? Plus cosine theta E2. Again, look at that. Chronic delta. U1 dot U1 will be 1. So this is negative. So this will be rho that multiplies minus sine theta cosine theta. Okay? Now, the dot product between E1 and E2 will be 0. E2 dot U1 will be 0. So let's take care of this. Okay? So again, this dot product, don't forget rho over here. See? So I'll put plus, you see, look, cosine E1. Okay? This will be cosine sine. See? This will be this one, dot this one. Okay? E1, I'm sorry, E2 dot E2. So this will be sine theta cosine of theta. Because E2 dot E2 will be 1. My goodness, I don't need the, okay. This here will be 0. So this is 0. What means? It means that we rho dot sorry. This is just copy, okay? So this is my a rho here. I'm not talking with E. I'm not writing E. This is this. Okay? So a rho dot a theta is equal to 0. You see? This is equal to 0. Now, I can develop a theta, a theta. Let's copy, okay? A theta will be minus rho sine theta E1 plus rho cosine, see, cosine theta E2 dot Attention now, dot, don't forget. Then I repeat here, minus rho, you see, a theta, okay? A theta I put over here. Now I copy. From this I put over there. So this rho sine theta E1 plus rho cosine theta E2. Now it's easy, okay? Look, remember always of the delta Kronecker. E1 dot U1 will be 1. So this will be rho square sine square. Attention now, look. I have rho here and I have rho here. Minus is plus. Now, sine theta will be sine square. Now, E1 dot E2 will be 0. Okay, E2 dot U1 will be 0. No, plus, look, whole square, cosine square of theta. You see? Because cosine will be cosine square. Now I will erase over here. Okay, attention now. A theta dot A theta will be, I copy from there, rho square that multiplies sine square plus cosine square. So this will be rho square. Easy. Then let's erase it here. Now I will apply the definition of dot product. Look at here. The definition. You see, this is the magnitude of this vector plus the magnitude of this vector times cosine of 0 degrees. Okay? This is 1. So this is magnitude of this vector square. This is equal rho square. You see? Square. Thus, modulus of A in this case, this is A theta, okay? Modulus of A theta is equal to square root of rho. See? Square root of rho square, which is rho. It's very, very, very good. You see, since rho is different from 0, obviously A theta is not a unit vector, okay? But it is a base. Now, attention this, okay? The base here, A theta, the magnitude is not 1, but it is the base. So, you see, the dimension. Then I will draw. You see, let me again, okay? I will raise here, let's stop, and then I continue.